We're here doing the repair for Miss Jenette Russel on Windmill Street in Grenada, Mississippi. I've got a new shingle here that should be relatively a close match. Of course, it's not exactly the right color, but that'd be real hard to do. But it is similar in dimensions. So I found a shingle with hail damage on this tab that we're taking photos of. That will be included in our report. We're going to unseal the shingles above it. We'll have to unseal this shingle, and this shingle to get the nails out of the shingle that we're going to be replacing. And we will put this new shingle on and nail it to the roof. And I'm going to start by unsealing these. Get this out of the way so it don't slip. Try my best not to damage the surrounding material. Go, got that one unsealed. And this one is unsealed some. Go. And unseal this one to about right here just so we can get the nails out. Unseal this one. Got a piece of the other one. Try not to break. Hole tore right here, trying to get it unsealed. I'm gonna try to not cause any more damage. Go around it and come back. That's better. Another hole there. Trying my best to just get the layer that I need here. No good like that. There we go. Got it. I got them all unsealed. Go ahead and try to pull some nails out. One. Two. see, gotta go up one more layer of these shingles. Take these nails out. Two. That may be all we. There we go. Here's the damaged shingle in here.
Nice cutting.
And the matting punched through on the back.
Let me get a clear footing. There we go.
Okay, let's set this to the side for now. Get the shingle in place. Let's see, it's not quite butting up against the shingles next to it, but I also do think it's the closest match. Just a hair short.
Just a hair short on the sections.
We got it into place here. Go ahead. Give me some fresh nails. That's twisted. Back in this shingle here. Here. Doing my best to get them in there without lifting the shingles up. They're so stiff. Put one more in here, even though I think that one will get full. So we got the new shingle installed here, and the only immediately obvious problems we ran into is This shingle here has separated, and that was just trying to get the sealant strip to come loose. The crowbar went straight through it there, and also right here. You can see my finger poking through. But then there's also this line of granules here that have all started to come loose from the repair. And that was with me trying my hardest not to lift it up, probably only to about right there, not straight bending it. It's just created a little crease all the way along here. This one here I did without the nails in it, but this one started to do the same thing right here due to only being unnailed here, being lifted like that. So it's created a crease here. We got the new shingle put on there, and it's already started to seal, so the repair should stick. But there is the problem of this and this, so we'll get some sealant out of the toolbox and put some dabs on here to keep it watertight in the meantime. All right.